Hello students, and welcome you all again to this STP3 aptitude sessions. In last video we have solved a puzzle type of questions based on this direction and distance. In this video also we will solve few more questions on this direction and distance which are of the puzzle type. That means one of the paragraph will be given for the instruction, and from that paragraph we had to draw the diagram, or in some cases uh, the information given in the paragraph we have to use while solving the question based on that paragraph. So here also this type of question is there. That means instructions are given in this paragraph, and based on that questions are asked further. So we'll read the instructions. Each of the following question is based on the following information. A hash B means B is at 1 meter to the right of A dollar A dollar B, that means B is at 1 meter to the north of A star B means B is at 1 meter to the left of A at the rate B means B is 1 meter to the south of A. In each question, first person from the left is facing north. So that means whatever first person you will assume in the question, if it is asked, that first person will always face to the north. So some symbolic representation of the person and their direction is given, and that you need to use in the solving further questions. So we'll start with the first question. According to x at the rate b star p, this is the instruction. X at the rate b star p, p is in which direction with respect to x. So given information in the next above paragraph was related to some symbols and notations. Now here we have to use the given information, symbols and notations, and use in this question. So a at the rate b is similar to here x at the rate b. So if a at the rate b means b is 1 meter to the south of a. Similarly, for this question here, P is 1 meter to the south of X. So just plot first X point. From that X points towards south, that means in downward direction, point B will be there at 1 meter. So we have drawn X and B points apart 1 meter. Next, B star P in the instruction X at the rate B star P. That means B star P is similar to the A star B. A star B means B is at 1 meter to the left of A. So here B star P represents P is 1 meter to the left of B. So B point, from B point towards left, I will plot P point which is having 1 meter distance apart. So I have got the X, B, P points like this. So if according to instruction I have drawn X, B, P points, then it is asked P is in which direction with respect to X. So with respect to X, you just you can plot the diagram for all the directions. From that direction sense, you can observe that P is in the southwest of X. P is in the southwest of X. So option number D is correct for this question. So like these questions are same type of questions are there where you need to utilize the given information and apply to the symbol and notation given in the question, and then plot the diagram, and according to diagram whatever question is asked, answer that question. So second question is, according to the m hash n dollar t, t is in which direction with respect to m. So according to given information, m hash n will be, n is 1 meter to the right of a, n is 1 meter to the right of m. So first plot a m point. From m towards the right, n point will be there at 1 meter distance. So m and n point I have got, and in the instruction it is given that each question, first person from the left facing to the north. So m is facing to the north and his right will be the east direction. So from m, n is towards east point. So m and n points I have plot then $n dollar t. Dollar means t is at 1 meter to the north of n. So from n in upward direction I have plot again a t point at 1 meter distance. So I have got m n t points. So in this diagram it is asked t is in which direction with respect to m. So t's position with respect to m is asked. That means t is in between the north and east, therefore t is at northeast of m. So answer will be B, option will be correct. Next, one more question. According to P hash R dollar $A star U, in which direction is the U with respect to P? So again utilize given information and plot the diagram. So P hash R, nothing but R is 1 meter to the right of P. So first plot P point towards its right, plot R point at 1 meter. So we have got P and R. Then R dollar A. R dollar A means A is at 1 meter to the north of R. So from R point towards north, plot A point at 1 meter. So you have got A point also. Then A star U. A star U, nothing but a U is 1 meter to the left of A. So from A towards left, U will be there. So you have got P, R, A, U points. 4 points you have got. And what is asked? In which direction is U with respect to P point? So with respect to P, U point's position is asked. So U point is north of P. So just simply the answer will be north. Answer for this will be C. That is north. So these are the few questions based on a puzzle type of questions based on the direction and distance chapter. Hope you understood all the types of problem based on direction and distance. So for more information and more type of questions you can check the Indiabix website. Thanks all.